Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to fix a broken zipper on a duffel bag. First, carefully inspect your zipper for any bent or separated teeth. Often, a zipper stops working because the teeth are not properly aligned. Take a pair of needle nose pliers and gently realign any bent teeth. Work slowly and methodically to avoid further damage. Once the teeth appear straight, test the zipper pull to see if it moves free. If your zipper is stuck, lubrication can often help. Grab a pencil and rub the graphite on the zipper teeth, or use a candle or bar of soap. Apply a small amount to both sides of the teeth where the zipper is jammed. Then, gently wiggle the zipper pull back and forth. Do not force it, as this can break the slider or teeth. Repeat this process a few times until the zipper begins to move freely. Let's talk about how easily the M4 integrates into your setup. This interface connects using a modern USB-C port, and it's also compatible with USB-A ports if you use a simple adapter. Whether you're on a Mac, a PC, or even an iOS device, the M4 works flawlessly across platforms. For musicians, the built-in MIDI input and output are fantastic for connecting your keyboards and controllers. Plus, the direct monitoring feature means you can hear your inputs with absolutely no latency, which is crucial for recording. For a quick fix, if only the pull tab is missing, you can attach a paperclip or a small keyring to the slider. This will allow you to operate the zipper temporarily. If the zipper is beyond repair and you need to secure the bag, you might consider hand sewing the opening shut. For more intricate damage, or if you're unsure, a professional repair service can often provide a lasting solution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.